Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Akshan Taak. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. For today, Tuesday, June 2, 2009, my name is Rennae Nichols. The H1N1 virus, what everybody knows as swine flu, reached Jamaica in May last month. The gleaner for Tuesday, June 2, 2009, said two somebody from St. Catherine and St. Andrew did go to New York and come back to Jamaica with the virus. The University Hospital in Kingston, where response to deal with the H1N1 virus, did get 362 people from different doctor office and clinic to test for the virus. Some of them did just come back from foreign. When them get back the first 70 test them last Friday, May 29, 2009, them find out that 13 of them have the normal flu and 2 of them did have the swine flu. Rudyard Spencer, when in charge of the Ministry of Health, said by the end of the week, the hospital will get back the test them for the next 233 people them to find out what kind of flu them have. Some of the people them would have to do test too are the one them would dip on the plane and they'd sit down near the somebody who have the virus, plus the people them with them live with. The foreign people them would deal with health business when named the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO, so in North America, South America and the Caribbean, them find 16,018 people in 22 different countries who have the H1N1 virus. 115 who did have the virus dead. But although all of this are gone, the Health Minister Rudyard Spencer said Jamaica have nothing to worry about. As according to RJR News, for today June 2, 2009, Mr. Spencer said the government had a whole heap of sitting to track down anybody who might have the virus and make sure so it don't get out of control. From them find the first 2 somebody with the virus, the Ministry of Health make up their mind to find everybody with it dip on the plane and everybody who might have it catch it from them. One of the somebody them with the virus, a 4-year-old girl pitney from Linstead, St. Catherine. The health officer them go to the little girl pitney school and talk to the mother and father them for all of the rest of pitney them. They will go to the same private doctor where a family them did care to find out about everybody with it there in the doctor office that day there. The health officer them all a try find down to the granny with it close to the little girl pitney. The government had a whole heap more than that too. Dr. Sheila Campbell, the Jamaica Chief Medical Officer, who responds to protect the health of the Jamaican people them. She tell the Observer for Tuesday, June 2, 2009, say right now, them will check on everybody who come to Jamaica on one plane to find out which other country them travel go and if them might have the flu. Them done part of one place at the 2 big airport them in Jamaica to put everybody where the doctor them think might have the flu. Them somebody they go get one special health card for them care go a doctor. Same time, the Ministry of Education tell the school them say them have masks to cover them face and something else named sanitizer to kill germs and keep on clean. Them make sure so the school them know so them feel look out for any pitney will look like them have the flu and have one special place for them different from the rest of pitney them. The 2 somebody them who did have the virus go hospital, so them alright now. But government still a look out for more somebody who might have out there with the virus. If you go around nobody will have it, it might take around 7 days before you feel like you have it too. For the pitney them, it can take around 20 days. H1N1 feel like any regular flu. You might have fever, sore throat, headache, and cough. But not take no aspirin for it. Go straight to one doctor. The Ministry of Health said them have whole heap of medication to fight the virus, so Jamaica don't have nothing much to worry about right now. This is Akshan Taak. Big things were going in a little Jamaica. My name is Rennae Nichols. Till next time, walk good.